So let's see how does the kitchen part of our teardrop trailer looks like after almost 1 year of being kept in a garage and almost 1 year of not being used. Okay, so what do we have here? There is also a dust, so this is how how much they stayed here. What am I going to do with the cans? I will check with all of them if the expiry date is still okay. If the expiry date is still okay, we will continue with using it. So also I will check these coffees, the expiry date. This is the 10th of April 2025. This is not good anymore. But this one is until 2026. Okay, I'll check that in the house. I will check what I have to throw away and what we can still keep. Then this is our sink. Yeah. Oh, there's still a little bit of water. Okay, I didn't expect that. Here we are cooking. It's a cooking area, yeah. And then let's see what is inside. So in this area are the things that mostly Rokas deals with. Here is our water tank. That's what I know for sure. And this is our dirty water. This also I know for sure. And this here we place potato and carrot and yeah, things like that. And here we have the sensor to see how much water we still have in the tank, in this tank, because it's quite a big tank. I think 40 liters, and it's not transparent, yeah, so we cannot really see clearly how much water we still have. So Rokas placed it like this, so here we can see exactly. Now it's empty, of course. Now we don't have anything, but once we have, then we can easily control how much water. This one is almost transparent. It is white, but we can easily see how much dirty water from the sink we have here, and then we just dispose this. Yeah, and this is our battery. I'm not going to say anything about the battery because I can easily say some lies because I'm not sure what to say about the battery. I know that we use it for the fridge and for the, I think, baby machine to make milk. Let's see here, what do we have here? Okay, wait. Also, same style the bowls, and also the same style cups. Of course, I'm going to wash everything. What else? This is Leon. What's the expiry date? Oh no, it expired. And this one also expired. I'm going to take this out. I'm washing. So I'm going to set it down. So wash. Let's see what is here. Oh wow! Oh my God! So we have even pasta. Oh no! This is this cup mug we got from Rokas' father and stepmother last year. This one also. I think I will remove them this cup from the ribbon and just leave this beautiful list. Oh wow! Then we have this is for cooking also. Yeah. Oh, there's one little inside. So this is how usually cooking pots look like. You buy one, but then inside is more. There are more things that you need. It's just amazing. When you take one, then like you see how many things you like and how do you actually. Okay, then we have this little one more little one. Why we keep this paper towel? So that this one wouldn't scratch here when we put it inside the bottom, yeah, so that the bottom would be still safe. the same reason goes for here. My coffee, and then let's see this here. Oh, here we have a more storage for food storage area. Yeah, and what is here? We have this kettle because baby still drinks formula milk, so we need this to boil the milk, to boil the water for his milk. Then yeah, okay, those clippers. And then, oh, look at these beautiful stickers that are not sticking anymore. Okay, here we have something to wash clothes for hands and in general for washing. I keep this for sure. I'm going to remove this also to wash, and this. Okay,